So POWERUP DART flies quite fast. In a gym, you literally need to fly in circles most of the time. Let's take off. Bad. So, where should you fly your dart? As you see, we're having a lot of fun here. And flying indoor, there's no wind, very, very smooth surface. But actually, the best place to fly is in a large park that has, sidewalks. And just take off from from some kind of a sidewalk or a road next to your park and fly over the grass. That'll give you the best protection and the most amount of freedom. That was a loop barrel roll, or a combination, that ended in a crash.
Ooh.
Before taking off with P1 Dreamer, be sure to trim your airplane with this screen, and we recommend to do it outdoors. The next step is fly. We definitely recommend to fly using the landscape mode. And before taking off from the ground, try to take off from hand launch. Double tap, increase throttle about 60% and launch. See that you're able to control it. So now I'm going to take off from the ground. And a few things to mention is that the wheels can be adjusted right or left, okay? Just by bending them right or left. And how do you know how to bend? So before you take off, give just a little thrust and see if the airplane has some tendency to go right or left. Here you can see it's going to the right. So now I'm going to bend it to the left. Here it's going to the left, so I'm doing overcorrection. So let's make a very fine tuning there. Full thrust and see what happens. Okay. Okay. That's always fun to do. Landing. How do you land? Well, landing is just like any RC aircraft. You need to gradually reduce the thrust. Let the airplane gradually glide down, and when it touches the ground, release your throttle to 0 and it'll land. Let's try that again. I'm going to turn this just a little to the right because it has a tendency to go to the left. Take off.